Let's go!
It's another wonderful, beautiful day again here in Vancouver. Good evening, guys. Time check. 7:49 in the evening. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here, Keep It Simple, Tito Arnold's Vlog. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? Nawa ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Everything will be fine on your behalf, guys. So, dito po ako sa labas. Napakaganda po ang weather. Although Main Street is busy. Maraming mga sasakyan na tumadaan. Almost 8 o'clock ng gabi, pero maliwanag pa. Yan po, gusto ko lang batiin ang aking apo dyan sa Pilipinas, si Galilee. Happy birthday sa'yo, apo. Nawa ay maging maganda ang birthday mo ngayon dyan sa Pilipinas. And it is an Independence Day today in the Philippines. But here, it's only June 11 here at night. So, ayan, wala pa po akong update dito sa aking front yard. Ito pa lang, naitanim ko mga halaman, flowery plant. So far, naging busy po ako sa aking health being. Maganda po ang balita ng aking specialist sa kidney, sa organ, ay balik na po ako sa normal. It is 90%. Ang problema lang po sa dalawang kidney ko is may kidney stone daw po akong crystalline. So, siguro po, 3 months na paglalagi ko sa Pilipinas, hindi ko naman po masisisi ang lahat ng mga kasama ko sa Philippines. How they prepared the food is their taste. So, ako po, less salt ako. Pero doon po sa Pilipinas nga ay kumakain tayo ng tuyo, dried fish, at laging mayroong bagoong, mataas po ang tolerance ng salt intake po nila sa Pilipinas. Kaya napasama na rin ako, and napabayaan ko rin ang sarili ko. I let my guard down na hindi uminom ng maraming tubig. So, I didn't take an intake of 8 glasses of water every day. So I'm so busy, and the weather really beat me up. So ayan, and I'm doing the best I could to recover here. And there's a good news for me, and I'm happy. And all my friends who prayed for me, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na naglaan ng dasal para sa akin. Alam ko pala na may nagmamahal pa rin pala sa akin. So, enough drama. So, ayan, maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pag-pray sa akin na gumaling ako. And tomorrow is my second week here in Vancouver. So, ayan po, marami na po akong plano na dapat asikasuhin at dapat isa katuparan. Ayan, maumpisahan ko na ho bukas ito. Birthday nga pala, Michelle, sa'yo, sa yung kaarawan nung June 8. Ang mother ko, June 9. Happy birthday din. At ang nagpalaki sa akin, which is mold me, teach me how to be a better person and a better human being. Si Inang po at si Tatang. Yan. Happy birthday kay Inang. June 10 din po siya. Kaya sa lahat ng nagse-celebrate ng June, happy birthday. Malapit na po yung pangalawa ko sa June 20. Advance happy birthday sa iyo, Arlene May. May God protect you and guide you anywhere you go. And I'll pray that your dream will be come true and your career will be a successful. We're here. You and me and your mom will support you all the way and wishing you all the best in life. Happy birthday, Arlene May, in advance. So ayan po, at happy birthday sa iyo, Galilee. Be a good girl. Lagi makikinig sa mama, papa. Ayan, shout out sa Roque family and shout out sa Lorenzo family. YouTube subscriber, nawa po ay share nyo ang aking video na matakalap naman po ako marami pang subscriber para mabigyan ko kayo at makapag upload pa ho ako ng magagandang video dito sa Vancouver, BC. At from here, my place in Vancouver, good night and saying keep it safe, keep it healthy, keep on moving, because moving is power. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye for now. Until the next vlog. See you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go.
No, my smile surrounds in a bright dust of love day. Your love surrounds me every single way. Forever faithful, forever true.